The Gas Equipment Safety Inspection Program is where we have contractors come to your home to perform a free safety inspection on BGE's gas equipment. We perform these safety inspections periodically based on the location of your gas meter to ensure we deliver safe and reliable gas service to your home or business. When one of our BGE contractors comes to your door, if you do not answer, then we will leave a door hanger with a contact name and phone number. You can then call to make an appointment for your in-home safety inspection.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, ma'am.
Our contractors are required to show you their ID and to explain why they are there to perform the gas meter inspection. To ensure your safety and the safety of our contractors, we are following all CDC recommended guidelines regarding COVID-19. Once the contractor locates your meter, he or she will perform an inspection that takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes. If the technician finds any issues with BGE's equipment, our dispatch center will be notified immediately and will send someone to come out and correct the issue at no cost to you. If you have any questions or concerns about BGE's gas equipment safety inspection program, please call us at 1-800-685-0123. Also, BGE is now on Nextdoor, where you'll receive alerts when we're in your neighborhood for scheduled inspections.